Hello, it's Abby from Cupra Oldham and I'll be walking you through this used vehicle. This is a Toyota XL and it currently has around 45,000 miles on the clock with 2 previous owners. And it comes painted in a stunning white finish which looks absolutely fantastic with the Toyota badge detailing that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. Here are stunning wheels which do complement the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the car. And to minimise the risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the power folding mirrors do fold and unlocked. As we access the boot, you'll notice we have a fantastic and spacious boot size that are large enough for stuff like shopping bags or even a pram. Following on, we can see this Toyota really has some lovely and well-maintained interior, as you can see the ISO fixed points at the back, which makes this car perfect for families. And as we access the front of the car directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed car full of fantastic features, and around you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit with plenty of interesting features that we will touch on later. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does feel nice at the grip, and we do have our headlights to ensure that always on the correct times alongside the controls on the driver's door handle. Over to the infotainment screen for a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your suited destination on the best possible route, and it will boost your confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when travelling. And with this car, you do get your park pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as a reverse camera ensures safety, especially manoeuvring out those busy places. And over to our climate controls, you'll notice we have our front heated seats with 3 different levels of heating to choose from, offering that cozy driving experience, especially on those cold winter days. Thank you for taking your time watching this video at all. For more information on the vehicle, please contact our sales team or inquire online now.